Embrace the wisdom of Stoicism. Chuki, 11 timeless principles for personal growth. Imagine a world where everything goes smoothly, where you always make the right choices and live a virtuous life. It sounds great, but the reality is often quite different. Life is complicated and full of challenges, and we all make mistakes and feel regret. Stoicism, which is more than just a philosophy, offers practical advice for dealing with life's difficulties. Over 2,000 years ago, Stoic philosophers created ideas to help people stay on track during tough times. In this video, I will share 11 of these Stoic principles that I use to improve myself. These ancient teachings have helped many people throughout history, and I hope you'll stay until the end to see how you can use them in your own life for greater happiness. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to support my work and subscribe with the notification bell to keep up with my future content. Principle 1. Master your mornings. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor, talked about how he struggled to get out of bed in the morning, but knew it was important for success. He believed that getting up early and starting the day with a plan was crucial for achieving long-term goals. Here's what I do to start my day right. 1. Keep a reflective journal. As soon as I wake up, I write down what I need to do for the day and review what happened yesterday. This helps me stay focused and plan my day. 2. Exercise. You don't need to do intense workouts. Just a morning walk or light exercise helps wake up your body and mind. 3. Focus on your main task. After getting ready, I work on my biggest goal for the day. I have a video that goes into more detail about this. Principle 2. Concentrate on what is within your control. A key Stoic idea is to focus on what you can control and not worry about what you can't. For example, in sports, you can control your effort, but not the score or other people's actions. This principle helps you focus on what you can change and avoid unnecessary stress. Principle 3. Avoid suffering from imaginary problems. We often worry about things that might never happen. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Staying focused on the present and staying calm can help you avoid unnecessary anxiety. I have a video that explores this idea further. Principle 4. Treat success and failure equally. Marcus Aurelius compared people to a stone tossed into the air. It doesn't change whether it goes up or down. Success and failure don't define us. Both can teach us valuable lessons. Accept both experiences calmly and use them for growth. Principle 5. Do just one thing. Each day, for people without specific goals, completing one task each day can bring a sense of purpose. For those with many goals, focusing on one thing at a time helps avoid distraction and makes progress. Aim to achieve at least one meaningful goal every day. Principle 6. Avoid the easy route. Success often comes from hard work and persistence. Successful people usually work hard and stay disciplined. The easy way might seem tempting, but true success comes from enduring effort and dedication. Principle 7. Question its necessity. Look at your daily activities and ask if they are really important. Many things we do are optional and don't add value to our lives. If something doesn't serve a meaningful purpose, it might be a distraction. Principle 8. Embrace your fate. Life doesn't always go as planned. Seneca experienced many challenges, but chose to accept them as part of life. Embrace both good and bad experiences as chances for growth and learning. Principle 9. Converse with the dead. When Zeno of Citium lost his wealth, he was advised to converse with the dead, meaning to read the works of past philosophers. Learning from the wisdom of those who came before us can provide valuable insights. Principle 10. Be firm with yourself and compassionate with others. A stoic person follows strong personal standards but also shows kindness and forgiveness to others. Lead by example and let your own virtues inspire others rather than judging them. Principle 11. Remember that you die every day. Seneca believed that fearing death is a mistake. By recognizing that life is short, we can live more fully and appreciate each day. Understanding life's impermanence can help us make the most of our time. I hope this version makes the ideas clearer and more accessible.